Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civil Steps. So Civil Steps has started one of the important series that is for prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civil Steps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC civil services examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC civil services examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important questions of basic science and environment. So the first question is, which of the following leaf modifications occur in desert areas to inhibit water loss? First statement is hard and waxy leaves. Second, tiny leaves or no leaves. Third, thorns instead of leaves. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. So the option A is 1 and 2 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number D 1, 2 and 3. So to inhibit water loss or to conserve water, most of the desert species have waxy leaves that keep them waterproof when stomata are closed. Water is further conserved by reducing surface area, so most succulents have few leaves or no leaves. Some desert plants have thorns instead of leaves. Thorns do not let the water go out. So the correct option is D 1, 2 and 3. So now let us discuss question number second. Consider the following statements. 1. Hepatitis B is several times more infectious than HIV or AIDS. Second, hepatitis B can cause liver cancer. So, which of the statements given above are correct? Option number A 1 only, B 2 only, C both 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So, the answer of this question is option number C both 1 and 2. Hepatitis B is a potential life threatening liver infection caused by the hepatitis B virus. It can cause chronic liver disease and puts people at high risk of death from cirrhosis of liver and liver cancer. Hepatitis B virus is transmitted between people by contact with blood or other body fluid, often contact with the blood or other body fluid. So the topic of diseases is very important from UPSC exam point of view. UPSC asks questions on diseases such as hepatitis B and this corona pandemic. About this pandemic, questions can be asked in further prelims. In 2022 prelims, UPSC can ask question on COVID-19 pandemic and the biology related to that pandemic. So now let us discuss question number 3. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, is an international treaty drawn at option number A, United Nations Conference on the Human Environment, Stockholm 1972. Option number B, UN Conference on Environment and Development, Rio de Janeiro 1992. Option number C, World Summit on Sustainable Development Johannesburg 2002. And option number D, UN Climate Change Conference Copenhagen 2009. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number B, UN Conference on Environment and Development, Rio de Janeiro, 1992. So the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, that is UNFCCC, is an international treaty drawn at UN Conference on Environment and Development, Rio de Janeiro, 1992. So these conventions, frameworks are very, very important. UPSC has already asked this question in 2010, and in 2017 or 18, UPSC has asked questions on Paris deal and that sort of topic. So you should cover all these international conventions and frameworks in a holistic and comprehensive manner from standard sources. So now let us discuss next question. So the question is, what is the importance of the United Nations Convention to combat desertification? Statement number 1, it aims to promote effective action through innovative national programs and supportive international partnerships. Second, it has a special or particular focus on South Asia and North Africa regions, and its secretariat facilitates the allocation of major portion of financial resources to these regions. Third, it is committed to bottom up approach, encouraging the participation of local people in combating the desertification. So select the correct answer using the code given below. Option number A, 1 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 1 and 3 only, D, 1, 2 and 3. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, 1 and 3 only. United Nations Convention to Combat Desertification, UNCCD, aims to promote effective action through innovative national programs and supportive international partnerships. UNCCD is committed to a bottom up approach, encouraging the participation of local people in combating desertification. As per the convention, statement 3 is right. But UNCCD focuses on Asia, Africa, Latin America, and the Caribbean, Northern Mediterranean, and Central and Eastern Europe. Hence, statement 2 is wrong. So therefore, answer is option number C, 1 and 3 only. So these three conventions of 1992 is very, very important. Apart from this, forest principles and other topics associated with this is also very important. So you should cover these topics from standard sources in a holistic manner. So now let us discuss question number 5. If you want to see gharials in their natural habitat, which one of the following is the best place to visit? Option number A, Bhitarkanika mangroves, B, Chambal River, C, Pulicat Lake, D, Deepore Bill. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number B, Chambal River. Gharials are river dwelling fish eaters and their only visible population in the Chambal Sanctuary. So option number B should be the answer. So these places are very, very important. You can read more about Bhitarkanika mangroves and what are mangroves, how they are located, and importance of mangroves. And you can read more about Chambal River and Pulicat Lake and Deepore Bill. So these are very, very important, and UPSC almost every year asks questions on these topics. So you should cover these topics from standard sources in a holistic manner. So this was all about today's video. You can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much.